Hi Kutis, hope you learnt Pallavi and Anupallavi of Saraswati Annaye and you like the song. Here goes the Charanam. Sakala kala valliye Unadharulal Omayum Sanga Kavi Avane Sakala kala valliye Unadharulal Omayum Sanga Kavi Avane Inshul Shuka Pani Kulaveni Inshul Shukapani Kulaveni Surarpani Kalyani Ramadasan Paniyum Shukapani Kulaveni Surarpani Kalyani Ramadasan Paniyum Saraswati Annaye என் நேரமும் சரணடைந்தேனும்